Okay.
All right. Okay, boys and girls, so welcome back to part 2 of our video. So we've got our little piece of cloth here, all covered in what was in the Tide Pod. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drop it in the center. We're going to see...
Don't drop it, just hold
Oh,
it.
just hold it, excuse me. And we're going to see if your prediction was correct. So,
Oh. Ooh. Just
whoa.
hold it, see what happens.
So there you
Oh,
go,
look,
boys
the
and
red's
girls.
coming. We didn't even touch the red. It's pulling it in.
Oh, whoa. So look at that. And boys and girls, in just a minute, or I guess in another video, you're going to see what happens when we try the same thing, but this time, instead of using the chemicals from a Tide Pod, we're going to use soap from a dish
Wow,
soap
look,
container.
it's like coming out. That pulled the red right from underneath.
This is really cool, Miss Galloway, and I like this because these are my favorite colors. Red, white, and blue. Montreal Canadian colors and the colors of the United States of America, my two favorite things. So this is cool. I'm going to, boys and girls, give this a quick little, we're going to see what happens now. So we see
And then
how,
you can
like Miss
swirl it
Galloway
around.
said, the red was on the outside, but it came right into the inside, and now it's swirling out.
How did that happen?
This looks so cool. I wish we could freeze this or something. I could keep it forever.
Wow.
But now I'm going to pop this out, and I'm going to swirl it around the outside. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
This looks trippy. Your grandparents might have had something like this in their bedrooms
This looks
many
like
years ago.
This looks like a tie-dye t-shirt.
Yes.
Wow.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to check out another video, this time doing the same thing but with soap. And if you have the materials for this at home and you want to try it, please try it. And you can always film it and send it to us so we can take a look at what you're doing.
Cool.
But this is video 1 of our milk and food coloring and chemical, I guess, and soap experiment. All right, check out video number 2 with the soap.